So when we talk about Bluetooth audio in a BMW, you know, I just recently did the CIC Retrofit navigation upgrade. I upgraded my old CCC navigation to the newer CIC that came in the LCI models. Now, I wanted to do the retrofit just because of everything that Nick had to offer. That's who I got the kit from, NickCo43 on e90post.com. It's an OEM-like install, of course, and, you know, it is something that's a plug-and-play besides just repinning a little different connector for the screen. Now, prior to the CIC, I've had Bluetooth audio in this BMW for, it's coming up on 5 years now. So I've been using the very same kit all this time. So the good thing with Nick's kit is that it still utilizes the stock USB and the aux that's right here. Now, if you don't have the USB, then it's no problem. But the aux, this is where it's all about. So since it still retains the stock aux and I have the USB option, I'm still able to do Bluetooth audio without CommBox. Now, I still want to do CommBox just because of, you know, getting the nice BMW apps. So it's just additional enhancements to my navigation unit. So I still get a lot of questions about Bluetooth audio in general. So here it is. It's very simple. So the USB just powers it. You can use a cigarette to USB adapter in the car. You do not have to actually have the USB. That's all it is just to turn it on. And of course, the other end is the aux. So it's very simple, of course. Now, if you want to use the cigarette to USB adapter, I highly recommend using a very flush USB adapter just because of the space here that you have, you know, with the pouch, or if you've taken the pouch out, you don't have a lot of space for when you close the door and how this sits up. So the install is just like this. USB, the aux. You'll see the little blue light come on. Comes on initially. And then you can just put this down the side. It'll help fold it down once it actually closes here. And that's it. Now, what I like about this one is that, you know, for $6 bucks, right, you get awesome sound quality, and I'll give you a sound clip from No Copyright Sounds. Auto connects to your phone, so as soon as you even open the door or even unlock the car from far away, it starts trying to connect to your phone, so you don't have to try to mess with it in the Bluetooth settings. So let's say it doesn't auto connect. You would just go into your Bluetooth section. You would find PT-810. So you would just find it there, and it's connected. But see, it's already connected. I just pulled it out, pulled it back in. It's already connected. It's ready to go. So I like to stream Pandora in my car. I like to do that. Another cool thing is that if you're playing Pandora and a phone call comes in, it will pause the music and allow you to answer the phone through your Bluetooth, through your BMW phone that's connected through your actual phone. So you got that, and then when the phone call ends, then it will resume the music and start playing automatically. So that's pretty cool. I like that. If you get text messages or even emails, you'll hear it through the speakers, not so much your phone. So it all goes through your phone. So you got that. If you have an iPhone, you can use Siri. So a lot of people have always said, well, it doesn't have hands-free, you know, like how Tune to Air has. Well, all you have to do is use Siri, just say, you know, like, hey Siri, can you change the song? And it will actually change the song for you. So that makes it nice. It's still hands-free. If you have an Apple Watch, like I said, if you're using Apple products, you can, it will always be on your watch. So if I'm playing music right now from Pandora, it'll show my, show my watch, and I can easily click it to click the song, go to the next one, go back, pause, whatever. So that makes it nice. But, overall, it has been great. It's very inexpensive. I know a lot of you guys have already been using it, so let me know your thoughts there. So I'll put the Bluetooth audio, USB to aux down in my description box below, so you guys can see that if you have not seen any of my videos on that. But without further ado, let's find a no copyright sound song here from YouTube that we're able to play and show you what it sounds like. All right, we'll go ahead and play it. It's No Copyright Sounds from the No Copyright Sounds YouTube page. So free use of music, of course. So for a very inexpensive, Bluetooth audio device, I mean, it does really sound great, and I'm sure it sounds better in person versus, through audio and then through a video itself. I've been pleased with it just because I've been able to add Bluetooth audio. I know that's a big thing with the cars, and mostly around if you don't have Bluetooth audio. So, and really this can apply to any aux-driven car, to say the least, and as long as you have something that's close to it to power it, like I said, with the whole USB, then you're ready to go. Thanks again to everyone that has already bought it. I released that video probably a year and a half ago or longer, maybe 2 years ago. It's been a while since I shared about this. So, thanks for picking up and trying it. It's an inexpensive piece, and it does what it needs to do. So it's worth the money, I guess, to say that what you get out of it. So like I said, check it out. Check out my CIC Retrofit install as well. Post that DIY here up at the top. Big thumbs up on this video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, guys. Thanks again. I hope you have a great day. Take care.